Guys, welcome back to another video. This is a beginner level wine order management dashboard. It is designed for people who are starting to learn the data visualization and dashboard creation. In this dashboard, you will learn how to create a simple visuals like bar chart, area chart, funnel chart, donut chart, and decomposition tree using the wine order data. Let's take a quick look at the dashboard highlights. This donut chart segment orders into a small, medium, and large categories, helping to analyze the customer purchasing behavior and bulk order patterns. This area chart shows the monthly order trend over a time, helping to identify the growth patterns, seasonal demand, and fluctuations in the customer orders. This bar chart compares the total across the different wines, helping to identify the most popular and highest demand wine products. This funnel chart provides a order progress from delivery, pending, in transit, and cancelled status. It helps to monitor the fulfillment efficiency and operational performance. This decomposition chart breaks down the total orders by region, wine name, wine type, and delivery status to identify the key demand drives and operational patterns. Now let's jump into step-by-step process. Open to Power BI desktop, get the data from Excel workbook, open the data set. This dataset contains a wine order transaction data where each row represents a wine order placed by the customer. The column of the dataset, order ID, order date, customer name, wine type, region, quantity, unit price, total amount, tax, shipping cost, final amount, payment mode, and delivery status. Load this dataset. Go to the text box to create a title. Write a title here, Wine Order Management Dashboard. Let's format this title. Change the font size into 24 and make it bold. Turn off the background. Take a new measure to calculate the total orders. Total orders equals. Use the distance count function to count the order ID. Close the bracket. Take a new card from visualization panel. Drag the total orders to fields. Let's format this card. Go to the format visual. Go to the count value. Change the font and font size into 20. Make it bold. Go to the category label. Change the font size into 8. Make it bold and change the color into black. Go to the general and go to the effects. Turn off the background. To create a new column of order size category, go to the modeling, take a new column, on the ribbon, order, size, category equals. Use the switch function true, comma, select the quantity column less than or equal to 10, comma, it's a small, comma, select a quantity column less than or equal to 50, it's a medium, comma, remainings are large. Close the bracket. It's create a new column. I will show in the table view. It's create a new column of order size category. Again, go to the report view. Take a donut chart from visualization panel. Drag the order size category to legend. Total orders to values. Let's format this donut chart. Go to the format visual. Go to the legend. Select the position, bottom center. Go to the text and change the font into 8. Make it bold. Change the color into black and turn off the title. Go to the slice. Change the color of large. Of wine color. Go to the medium and change the color. As a green. Change the small color. Into orange. Go to the spacing and change the inner radius into 72%. 74 also okay. Go to the detail labels. Change the label content as a category data value. Go to the general and go to the title. Change the title, order, volume, segmentation. Change the font into 12 and make it bold, and change the font also, and alignment make into center. Go to the effects, turn off the background. Take a area chart from visualization panel. Drag the order date to x-axis and delete the year, quarter and day. and drag the total orders to y-axis. Let's format this area chart. Go to the format visual, go to the x-axis, change the font into 8, make it bold and change the color into black, and go to the turn off the title, go to the y-axis, go to the values and change the font into 8, make it bold and change the color into black and turn off the title. Go to the lines and change the interpolation type into smooth. Go to the colors, change the color into wine color. Go to the shade area, change the area transparency into 80%. Turn on the markers. Go to the general, change the title, total order by month. Change the font and font size into 12. Make it bold and alignment into center. Go to the effects and turn off the background. Take a clustered bar chart from visualization panel. Drag the wine name to y-axis. Drag the total orders to x-axis. Let's format this bar chart. Go to the format visual. Go to the y-axis. Change the font into 8. Make it bold and change the color into black and turn off the title. Go to the x-axis. Go to the values. Change the font into 8. Make it bold and change the color into black and turn off the title. Go to the bars, change the color into wine color and go to the layout and change the space between the category into 28%. Turn on the data labels. Go to the data labels. Go to the values. Change the font into 8. Make it bold. Change the color into black. Go to the general. Go to the title. Change the title. Order by wines. Change the font size into 12 and change the font and make it bold and alignment into center. Go to the effects and turn off the background. Take a funnel chart from visualization panel. Drag the delivery status to category and drag the order ID to values. Let's format this funnel chart. Go to the format visual. Go to the colors and change the color into wine color and go to the data labels. Go to the values and change the font into 8 and make it bold and change the color into gray. Go to the category labels, change the font into 8, make it bold and change the color into black. Go to the conversion rate and change the font into 8, make it bold and change the color into black. Go to the general and go to the title, change the title, order, status, summary. Change the font and font size into 12, make it bold and alignment make into center. Go to the effect and turn off the background. Take a decomposition tree from visualization panel, drag the total orders to analyze, drag the region to explain by, drag the vine name to explain by, drag the vine type to explain by, drag the delivery status to explain by. Click the total orders and select the region. Select the Australia region. Let's format this decomposition tree. Go to the format visual, go to the trees, go to the connectors, select the color of the selected line to wine color and unselected little bit gray. 20% dark gray. Go to the bars, go to the colors and change the positive bar into wine color and bar background is a gray. Go to the category labels and change the font into 8, make it bold and go to the values and change the font into 8, make it bold and change the color into black. Go to the header, change the font and font size into 9, make it bold. Go to the general and turn off the background. To give a title of this decomposition tree, take a text box and write a title here, order, decomposition, insight. Let's change the font into 12, bold and change the background. Go to the report page, go to the canvas background, browse the background image, click to open. Change it to normal to fit the image and transparency make into 0%. Friends, I hope you like this video. Please hit like button. Please subscribe my channel to get regular updates of my channel. Thank you.